Welcome to a discussion on whether hiking could indeed be the ultimate dream job. In this segment, we'll delve into the appeal of being outdoors, the sense of freedom that comes with the profession, and the growing popularity of outdoor jobs in today's society. From recreation to profession, let's take a step back and explore the history of hiking as a recreational activity and its transformation into a potential career choice. From humble beginnings as a pastime for nature enthusiasts to the emergence of professional hikers leading expeditions and guiding outdoor adventures, we'll uncover the journey that has led to hiking becoming a viable profession for those who are passionate about the great outdoors. A day in the life of a professional hiker. Join us as we venture into the daily life of a professional hiker and discover the awe-inspiring vistas, physical challenges, and unique experiences that come with the job. From traversing rugged terrain to summiting majestic peaks, we'll glimpse into a world where every trail offers a new adventure and every step brings you closer to nature. Challenges and conflicts. While the notion of making a living through hiking carries a romantic appeal, the reality is laced with challenges. Professional hikers face unpredictable weather, enduring physical strain, and navigating the uncertainty of job stability and financial security. Weather patterns can swiftly shift, turning a serene hike into a battle against the elements. Physical exhaustion is a constant companion, demanding resilience and conditioning to withstand long treks. Moreover, the absence of traditional job structures means income fluctuates, posing challenges in budgeting and planning. Financial stability becomes a perpetual concern, requiring savvy management and supplemental income sources. Despite these hurdles, passionate hikers find fulfillment in the wilderness, forging a profound connection with nature. Balancing these obstacles with the intrinsic rewards of exploration and solitude is the hallmark of a career in outdoor pursuits, where resilience and adaptability are as vital as sturdy boots and a reliable map. Overcoming challenges and finding balance. Despite the obstacles, professional hikers are resilient individuals who find ways to overcome challenges, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and continue to pursue their passion for the outdoors. Through determination, adaptability, and a deep connection to nature, they carve out a fulfilling career path that allows them to thrive in their element. As we conclude our exploration, it's evident that hiking offers a unique blend of perks and drawbacks as a profession. While the fulfillment and joy of exploring nature are undeniable, it's essential to recognize the challenges that come with the territory. Nevertheless, for those who are passionate about the outdoors, hiking can indeed be a rewarding career that allows them to inspire others and leave a lasting impact on the world around them. I invite you to share your thoughts on whether hiking is the best job in the world in the comments below. Have you ever considered a career in the great outdoors? Don't forget to explore more videos on outdoor careers and adventure travel on my channel. Let's continue to inspire each other to embrace the beauty of nature and pursue our passions with courage and conviction.